This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Accent timing chain. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a new timing chain kit. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, drain the engine oil and coolant to avoid any mess. Finally, remove the serpentine belt and any other parts that block access to the timing cover. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to the timing chain itself. Begin by carefully removing the crankshaft pulley bolt, then the pulley. With those out of the way, you can unbolt and gently remove the timing chain cover. Take care not to damage the old gasket. Once the cover is off, take a moment to inspect the existing chain and sprockets for any signs of wear. A clean mating surface is crucial for a good seal. This is the core of the replacement. First, rotate the crankshaft to align the timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshaft. This is a critical step for proper engine function. Now, you can remove the old timing chain, along with its tensioner and guide rails. Carefully install the new timing chain, making absolutely sure all your timing marks stay perfectly aligned. Then, install the new tensioner and guide rails, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. We're almost done. Reinstall the timing chain cover, using a new gasket and a thin bead of RTV sealant for a leak-free seal. Reattach the crankshaft pulley and tighten its bolt to the exact torque specified by the manufacturer. Next, refill your engine with fresh oil and coolant. Finally, reconnect the battery, start the engine, and listen for any unusual noises. Let it run for a few minutes to ensure everything is operating smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.